Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our June 2026 Zoom class. With our Zoom classes, there is a die requirement, and this month we are featuring favorite dies. So you will need the Twist Flower pop-up, Fun Flowers, Dolled Up Charms, and Rockin' Rectangle pop-up to participate in this class. Card 1 will be a Rockin' Rectangle window card, and it is shown here decorated as a thank you card, but you are going to have the option to use it as a thank you card or as a birthday card. So you will have the option to swap out the greeting for happy birthday and to swap out the journaling card for a different one that is more fitting for a birthday card. So that will be a choice that you will make at the time that you are prepping your kit. We are using beautiful new papers from Cardabella this month, and card 1 is an A2 size card. For card 2, which will be our dolled up birthday card, we will combine the mechanisms from both pop-up dies. And it is an alternate assembly on the Rockin' Rectangle so that we can use that to make those cool platforms in the back. Then we're going to assemble the twist flower mechanism in the center and decorate it with those dolled up charms. So lots of motion and elevation on that second card. Okay, if you are new to our Zoom class program, let me explain how it works. You have buying choices. You can buy your kit bundled with your 4 required dies, and if you don't already own any of them, that is going to be your best value. However, if you own 1 or more of the required dies, you can also choose to purchase just a paper extras and instructions kit. It does not come with any dies, but you do still need the dies. So if you, for instance, owned 1 of them, you would still need to pick up the other 3. All right, now when your kit arrives, it's going to be those bulk materials, and you are going to hang out and wait until about 9 days before class. And on that date, thereabouts, you will receive an email from the store where you purchased your kit. And in that email is going to be some very detailed PDF instructions as well as a link to a prep work video. And what you'll do is you'll take your required dies in your paper kit and those PDF instructions, and you'll follow along that video at your own pace and time to convert those bulk materials into 2 ready-to-assemble card kits. In addition to the prep work video, you're also going to have the Zoom login information in that email. And so if you plan to join the live Zoom class, you're going to log in using that information. It starts at June 27th, 2026 at 11 a.m. Central. Now, we will record that Zoom session for all of the students who either can't make it or can't stay. Or maybe their kit didn't arrive in time, or maybe they're in a different time zone. It doesn't matter. You will have access to the recording. With these Zoom classes, you can even go back and buy older kits if you want to, and you will have access to those recordings to be able to get your projects done at your time and your pace. All right, how do you get a kit? So my suggestion is to start on our website, KarenBurniston.com. You're going to go to the Events tab, then click on Current Events, and there you will find information about the classes, including all of the stores that make the kits, and there is a store in Europe. Now, we will also sell kits for our classes on our website. They show up in our Kits and Classes section of the shop area when they are ready to ship. I hope you can join us for this fun class. I'd love to see some new faces this month. Thanks so much for watching.